Hello everyone. Today we are going to see another important app. It's Safe Notes. As the name says, Safe Notes, it's very safe to save your important documents in this app. So once you open the app, it'll ask you for a passphrase. So let me explain all the features that we have in this app. You can just click on this plus sign to add the note, adding a title, and click save. So you can see here we don't have much editing options here like the other apps that we have seen. You can't bold the apps, or you can make it italics, or you can do any other format. You can just create the text, save it. We have the option to show the notes in the grid format or in the list format. And also, if you create a lot of notes and if you feel like the notes look very clumsy because of the text items showing up here, you can go to the settings, compact notes. Now you can just see only the title showing up here. And we also have a lot of other options. Let's see the settings. You have the option to take backup. So once you enable it, it'll just create a backup immediately. You can see the last backup a moment ago, and also it also shows the location where the backups are stored. And in case if you want to manually take a backup at a particular point, you can just click backup now. And once this option is enabled, it'll take backup of the data every day. As you can see here, it's mentioned. In case if you want to import the backup, you can do it. Dark mode, if you like the dark mode, you can enable it. And if you want it to be completely dark, you can enable the light out, or you can just have the dim enabled. You can change the note color here in case if you don't like the color showing up there. There are a lot of other options. You can enable them and you will see the notes in a different color. Okay, so what other settings? You have the biometric option. You can enable the biometric authentication instead of the passphrase, and you can configure the inactivity time. Based on this, the app will get automatically locked after 30 seconds or after 3 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever option you want to set. Secure display. Once you enable this option, you can't take screenshot of the notes in the app, or even I can't create the video if I enable this option. That's the reason I have turned this off right now. You have the incognito keyboard. You can change the passphrase. Regarding the incognito keyboard, you can see it here. When I try to type, you can see it's showing the incognito icon here. So if I disable it, you can see that you don't see the incognito icon anymore. If you want to know about this app, it's an open source project and it uses AES 256 encryption to encrypt your notes using the passphrase that you enter while you open the app. What are the pros? It's free and open source, so you don't need to worry about any secret codes in the app. It's completely local. There is no outbound internet connection or no inbound internet connection. So the data is confidential. And as I already mentioned, it uses AES 256 symmetric key to protect your notes. It encrypts and protects it. No one has access to your data, just you have access to your data. And it has the Android background snapshot protection, as we have already seen. So let's say since I have turned it off to show you this app screen. It works, but otherwise once you enable it, you can't take a snapshot. Inactivity guard. So in case if you leave the app open, you don't need to worry. After 30 seconds or after 15 minutes, it will get locked automatically. It has incognito keyboard as well. Brute force protection, since it uses the AES 256 key using your passphrase. It's not easy, or even practically it will take a long time to break an app. It's practically impossible. So what are the cons? There are no advanced editing options like we have seen in other apps, like you can't make text bold or italics, or you can do any other formatting things. It's just a simple text based notepad. And in case if you forget the passphrase, there is no other way you can open the app. Even if you contact the app creators, there is no way you can open it. They can't help you with that. So if you are going to store any confidential and important information in the notepad, better you use a passphrase that you will remember in the future. Otherwise, you will lose access to your data. That's it. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe, and also let us know what other app that you want us to review next.